So let's do a complete walkthrough of the Sony booth. This is just a quick little walkthrough that we walk by every place and see what was really there. So on the right here we have the Sony ebook readers on display on a little counter so you can try out any one of the models, Touch or Pocket Edition. Over on the left here we have the theater, and this is where the keynote happened. There was 3D projection displays and a number of demos and those kinds of things. Through the center were different kinds of content in 3D. So we have movies, different technologies like projector lens housings, and we also had other kinds of content. So broadcast, what is TV going to look like? There's a camera, 3D camera, so you've got Wheel of Fortune, and some of the programs you're familiar with, all in 3D. In addition, we had some remastered, if you will, Jimi Hendrix in 3D. And of course video games. These are a number of color variations on the glasses, the active shutter glasses, and the 3D gaming was the funnest part of it for me. As well, 3D OLED. These sets were really amazing, just that striking picture quality of OLED in 3D. So this is the whole lineup of BRAVIA TV. And we have a number of series this year, and the idea is looking for feature sets that match different customers. So the NX series is for the customer who likes, new features and is more concerned about, maybe the styling, maybe the connectivity. The LX is the top of the line that has everything, and we've got this new monolithic design, very clean even when it's all wired up. And we have this 6-degree back tilt, so you can see where it was set up before on a low stand. It angles back so you get a really beautiful viewing experience in that more stylish decor. It is a swivel and tilt stand. And this model is going to have integrated 3D in it. So built in right out of the box is the transmitter, and 2 pairs of glasses will come with it. Blu-ray 3D player hooked up there. The third series, the HX series, is for people who are really concerned about picture quality. So every tweak we can do to make the picture quality great, we'll do that. As well, the monolithic designs, you can put on that great optional stand to give it this really nice, solid look. And you can see it here in sort of the home theater environment. It's a nice, very clean, stylish design. As well, we have the EX series, which is our value series, and some of our entry-level models. The Dash, which is currently not coming to Canada, a little touch surface with widgets and internet connectivity. You can look at pictures, you can listen to music, great little device. We will be bringing out Blu-ray home theater systems, as well as 3D Blu-ray home theater systems in a number of stylish and sophisticated designs, wired and wireless speaker combinations, portable audio, as well in terms of our home theater systems. A little bit about what we're doing there. These will be the 3D Blu-ray players, so as you move up, you get players with higher quality, better audio outputs. Our eco area, where we talk about the W series, made of recycled parts, our presence sensor, lower energy using. Sony Pictures had a few movie props on display, and as we pass by the 3D again, it was a great display in terms of lots of opportunity to see all kinds of different content, which is really something that is going to drive the adoption of this technology. So as we move by the cameras, the point and shoot, some of the big news here is adding our Sweet Panorama to more models in the W series and the T series, nice and slim cameras. We're also showing a little bit of the breakout of what's in each one of those cameras when you take them apart. See some of the technology inside. And in the camcorders as well, lots of standard def and high def camcorders, burners to burn direct from the camera to back up in high def and standard def. And one of the great things about all the camera product is SD and memory stick. All these demos here showed some of the different technologies. So this optical steady shot showing the difference when you add that active mode so that the plate's moving but the shot is still solid. What you get with the wide angle lens, and just a breakout of the actual technology of that. You kind of think lens sensor, but you've got all these optical pieces in there giving you that great picture. So a lot of great new technology. The Exmor-R sensor gives you greater light sensitivity, full high-def movie, 1080i recording on point-and-shoot cameras, GPS with compass as well, and that panorama. But again, the big news being SD and regular memory cards, regular being Sony memory stick.
Exactly. So everything I showed you, they can both do.
So we had a demo here as well where you could do your own sweet panorama to see what those great shots look like. There's an alpha DSLR booth showing the latest in lenses and all that kind of technology. And the Bloggy. A couple of models here that build on the technology we had last year, HD Snap in Canada, Webby in the States, and it's got this great spherical lens attachment. One of the kits will be available that'll allow you to take a 360-degree panorama movie. Android Xperia X10, beautiful interface running Android, and the from Sony Ericsson there. And as we move by the Bio booth, the beautiful Z series with this great construction and ambient light keyboard. The W series made out of recycled plastic, 20% recycled plastic, and coming with, instead of a box, it comes in its carrying case, which is kind of cool. PS3, PlayStation was there showing all the things that they had to offer. And also personalizing a lot of the Vios. If you order them online, you can get them engraved, you can get custom backs on them, so you can see how that process works at this particular kiosk. As we move back around to the PlayStation, they were demoing a great new product, and this is where you have a virtual pet. You interact with the eye camera, so it's called iPad. You can see that right there. The person has a device by which they point it at the camera and allows them to interface in. And you've got this very detailed kind of virtual pet, and the person can feed the pet, change them, add all kinds of things. It's going to be a great product shipping at the end of the year. Really cool technology where you're actually able to, they got some paper there and they're drawing objects and bringing them into the world. There's a demo of that on the PS3. If you're on the network on PS3, you can go look at a demo of that. It's a really cool technology. So a lot of PS3, a lot of PSP integration, all kinds of cool things happening. Of course, 3D gaming. Gran Turismo 5 has these great rigs set up so that people could race in a very realistic environment. There's the broadcast tower over here on the right where people would broadcast, vlog, and do all sorts of setups from the Sony booth. And in the audio, we have some great new video product for the car, as well as a built-in dash iPod. So that's the Sony booth. Hope you liked it. It was really quite fun to go.